In the north of San Vicente neighborhood in Brentwood, Los Angeles, sits an architectural masterpiece with 5 beds, 7.5 baths, and 0.55 acres. Behind private gates, a dramatic court framed by cascading water walls, you first enter into the heart of the residence into a monumental skylit atrium. Expansive walls of glass dissolve boundaries between indoors and out. Exiting into your backyard, you'll find the beautiful pool, as well as barbecue grill. Next to the main living quarters, you have a guest house or additional dwelling unit that boasts a beautiful floor-to-ceiling window looking out onto your tree and your courtyard. Going through the atrium, up the stairs will take you to the second story where you'll find the additional 4 bedrooms. Down this hallway, you will find the 4 additional guest bedrooms and 1 specific guest bedroom that is made for the little ones. This little special room has an amazing vibe where you go upstairs and there's a little loft as well as a walk-in closet. The beautiful master bedroom includes a terrace that looks out over Los Angeles. Next to your master bedroom, you'll find the ensuite master bathroom with his and her sinks, as well as the above-ground tub, and the incredible walk-in closet. What is a luxury estate without your relaxing speakeasy where you can chill, hang out, have a drink, as well as your own personal theater to watch the biggest and best blockbusters?